Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best hair clippers available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Philips Hair Clippers. Full-size steel trimmer. The trimmer's precise steel blades create clean, straight lines and evenly trim through the thickest hair without irritation. Steel precision trimmer. The narrow design of the full metal precision trimmer makes it easy to precisely edge and finish small details. Nose and ear trimmer. The trimmer quickly trims unwanted nose and ear hair without nicks or cuts. 3 beard guards. For comfortable trimming of any beard style, the reinforced design prevents bending and buckling for even results every time. Stubble guard. For creating an even, stubbled look with ease. Lithium-ion battery power. The high-powered rechargeable battery delivers 60 minutes of use per charge. The 5-minute quick charge delivers enough power for one full trim. Number 4. Conair Hair Clippers. Home Haircut Kit. The Conair Barbershop Series No-Slip Grip 20-piece haircut kit is a home barber's dream. The corded hair clipper with taper control has Japanese stainless steel blades and a soft rubber grip for comfort and ease. Everything but the barber. This kit includes 9 comb attachments to guide the clipper as you cut and style for multiple lengths, plus barber scissors, comb, cape, cleaning brush and oil, and a storage case. Respect the ritual. Don't crack under the pressure to look good. Conairman has beard trimmers, home barbering kits, electric shavers, and more for precision cuts and trims so you can get your look right. Innovative grooming tools. From hair and beard clippers to trimmers, shavers, epilators, and home haircut kits. Personal care from Conair. Our personal care line includes high-quality skincare tools, lighted mirrors, haircut kits, beard and mustache trimmers, and ear/nose trimmers, ladies shavers, and oral care. Conair makes personal care tools for your daily routine. Number 3. Remington Hair Clippers. Power Cut Blade System. No more snagging and pulling. Our exclusive system keeps the blades in proper alignment for a smooth, even cut. You can even swap out the blade for other attachments like the Boulder blade or the T-blade. Super Magnet Motor. The Super Torque motor drives maximum power to the cutting system for 2x faster cutting performance than top-selling wall-corded clippers. Precision Ground Blades. The expertly ground blade edges provide the ultimate haircut experience as they cut through even the thickest hair with ease. Easy to clean. The removable blade system is safe to wash under running water, making cleanup fast and easy. 8 feet cord. The industrial strength cord, tough enough to last and long enough to take the hassle out of haircuts. Heavy-duty rubber grip. The ergonomic shape and rubberized grip allow a comfortable, natural grip while keeping the hand close to the head for total control. Number 2. Bisbomb Hair Clippers. Lifetime cordless senior clipper blades for precision sharp cutting. Self-sharpening stainless steel blades in proper alignment for smooth cut, suitable for dry/wet hairstyle. No more snagging and pulling. They are engineered for long-lasting precision and premium cutting performance. Time-tested and powerful yet very quiet motor. A heavy-duty motor hair cutting machine enables you to cut through all kinds of hair with ease and efficiency all day long. The motor is not only powerful, but hair clipper cutting kit is also quiet at only 65 dB, quieter than many other models. Rechargeable beard trimmer with battery. The hair clipper is signal lighting up when it's charging or using. The trimmer's rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers up to 240 minutes of operation time after a full 3-hour charge. Corded/cordless hair clipper. Use with or without a cord is your favorite. Take the travel hair clipper together when you go business, trip, or travel. Number 1. Wall Hair Clippers. Heavy-duty motor. Our ultra-power heavy-duty hair trimming system easily cuts the thickest hair with 35% more power than standard wall electromagnetic motor clippers. Self-sharpening blades. Wall's precision self-sharpening precision blades stay sharp longer and continuously sharpen over time, all between every few haircuts to increase the longevity of your electric clipper motor and blades. Adjustable taper lever. Easily change the closeness of your cut between guide comb lengths. Move the lever up for the closest cut and move it down for a longer cut. Matching trimmer. The Chrome Pro comes with a full-size hair clipper for men with a variety of cutting lengths with a precision T-blade and a matching chrome trimmer that helps clean up around the neckline, sideburns, and the ears. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.